Okay, so my voltmeter on the right hand side and the current meter on the left. So this is going to measure the current SWA, tri-forward solenoid, and it's going to be measured the voltage at the same solenoid. So the current and the voltage supplied to the solenoid. Okay, so I will start with the torque speed as previously. I push the trigger, so we have 0, nothing, and I move the joystick forward just a bit. So we're starting to get a current. So the bias current is about 450 milliamps, or 550, sorry, 550 milliamps. And you see, if I go forward more on the joystick, it starts to drive. Okay. And if I keep going, it's gonna speed up, and that's my maximum speed I have on the tortoise. And the values are 4 volts and 950 milliamps. The current is pretty much stable. It's just jumping up by 10 milliamps, 10-20, so it's not a big deal. So drive, it feels fine. Just let me reverse back a bit, and I will do the same in fast speed. Okay, so now we're gonna go in here, fast drive. Okay, so I have a high revs, push the trigger, so now I'll move the joystick forward a bit, starting around 500 milliamps again. And if I go to drive nice and smooth, the current is steady. If I go full speed drive, that's the maximum drive I can have, and this is the value. I'm gonna reverse now. Just trying reverse now, so no data to show. Okay, and now I'm gonna go off-road. So same, trigger, 0, push it slowly, and the current, 580 milliamps, keep pushing, and start driving. Okay, slowly. If I go more, that's a maximum speed in off-road mode, and I have 1 amp and 4.1 volts. That's a maximum. Okay, so next thing I will go in the hair again, and I will go off the foot. So I'm elevated now, so the machine is going to go in the elevated drive. So trigger, the revs drop down. As I move the joystick, you see the bias current showing up already. And if I continue to drive, it drives nice and slowly. Keep pushing a bit more. This is maximum, and this is as fast as it can go. So elevator drive is slow, is limited at 800 milliamps, and the voltage is 3.4.